Hey friends, it's Dr. Black, and I'm so glad you're here with me. Can you believe we've been on this journey together for 2 years already? It kind of blows my mind. The start of season 3 of Eat Your Greens with Dr. Black is just around the corner. This season, we're taking everything we've learned about nutrition, lifestyle, and real life habit change and making it simpler. Because let's be honest, most of us already know what we should do. Don't you just hate that word, should? I know I do. The hard part is actually doing it in the middle of real life. And I get it because I'm right there with you. So this season, I'll be diving deeper into the everyday habits that make healthy living sustainable. Things like what to eat more of, how to make cooking less stressful, and how to stay consistent when life gets busy. I'll share tips to help you eat more plants without overhauling your pantry. Well, okay, you might have to overhaul your pantry a little. I'll explore the science behind small lifestyle shifts that really work, and I'll help you find a little more motivation to take care of yourself, one habit at a time. Whether you're here to lower your cholesterol, keep your blood sugar under control, or just feel more confident about the choices you're making, I've got you covered. Because that's what Eat Your Greens with Dr. Black is all about. From nutrition to everyday habits, health made doable.